a very exciting parcel has arrived. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with the second part of the charity shop thrift shop challenge with Freya Farrington. So in case you didn't see the first part of this collaboration, Freya, who is another blogger and YouTuber based in Manchester, and I had a little challenge where we had £20 each to pick out items in our local charity shops for each other, and then we posted them off and the parcel has just arrived. So now I'm going to unbox it and see what Freya managed to get for me, and over on Freya's channel she will be unboxing the bits and pieces that I picked out for her. So if you haven't seen those already, I will link those videos for you down below so you can pause this and watch those first if you would like. And over on Freya's channel she will be opening up everything that I got for her, so fingers crossed she likes it. But I am so excited to get this box open, I literally cannot wait. So before we get going, if you're new here and if you've popped over from Freya's channel, hello and welcome. It is great to have you here. Do click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this unboxing, maybe try on if there's any clothing in there, then do give this video a little thumbs up. So here is the box, and it is heavy. I'm not gonna lie, I've already pulled the address off the top just so I could show you the box a little bit better, but very nicely packaged and doesn't sound like anything's broken in there, so it sounds like if there is anything breakable, it's all arrived in one piece, which is a good sign. So let's have a quick sip of the coffee and then we'll see what's inside. I'm so excited, and I'm also quite nervous to see if Freya likes everything I've got for her. I really hope she does. I think I did a good job, fingers crossed. She's written Thrift on the top, so I knew not to open it before doing it on camera, because we wanted to make sure that you get the real reactions. Do you ever get that awkward thing where you open gifts in front of other people and you're kind of nervous in case you don't like something? I've kind of got over that a bit since doing YouTube, but I used to get really shy opening presents in front of people, especially in front of groups of people. There's always that worry, isn't it, that maybe you've like got the item already, or you're not sure about it and you don't know how to say it. But I'm sure Freya's got brilliant taste, so I'm sure I will love everything. Right, we're in here. Oh, hello. On top there's a little note here. It says Mr. Carrington, and on the back, hashtag thrift challenge. Love that, lovely handwriting. And the card says, Ewan, I really did have a whale of a time filming this collaboration with you. I hope you enjoy everything I bought for you, and even if they're not perfect fit for you, I hope they find a home for someone, and happy for you to redonate to a good cause. Yeah, thank you, Freya. So yeah, what we've said is that if anything doesn't fit us, we will just redonate it to our local charity shops and it can go on to a good home that way. Right. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, let's take the bubble wrap off the top. Oh wow, okay. We've got some homeware first of all. There's things that are wrapped in bubble wrap. So, first thing, we have a picture frame. We've also left the prices on, by the way, so that we can share with you how much. Oh, I think I can hear broken glass, can I? We've had a little breakage. It's all right. Oh, and that's so funny as well. She's written insert Desenio print here. We know we love our Desenio prints. Unfortunately, I think the postman's been a bit rough. Naughty postman, but what I can do is just throw the glass out of that and I can still use the picture frame. I think this is why a lot of the frame companies now, when they send the frame prints, they're using plastic frames, I guess, because yeah, glass sometimes just doesn't travel well. Oh, but a lovely frame. I love gold, so very nice choice there, and that was 50p. So what I'll do is I'll just chuck the glass out of that and still use the frame, and I will indeed pop a little print in there. So thank you, thumbs up for that one. We've got some more items. Oh, hello. This looks up my street. Right, let's see. I'm seeing a plant pot, which I am on a ban from, but if someone else buys me a plant pot, we can happily accept that. Oh, that is actually beautiful. And this says made in Portugal on the base. Look at that glaze, I absolutely love that. Really nice cream colour and blue. And that was 50p, absolute bargain. Oh my goodness, there's a plant in it. No way, oh my goodness. Okay, this is very me. You've done good already. We're on item 2. 50p for that. That is an absolute steal. Wow, okay. That's perfect. And that can go straight in there. How about that? It feels like Christmas. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's pray that this one travelled better. I think we've got more glass. Oh no! Uh-oh. We won't worry though, because I'm sure there's something I can do with it. You know I like a DIY. And I love the look of this already. I can tell I'm gonna absolutely love it. I think we might have just lost one panel of glass though, which might not be the end of the world. Okay, so here it is. It is this beautiful terrarium. And this was £2.99. Now there is a broken panel at the back, but we're not going to worry about that, because what I'm going to do is just pull the glass out of that. I'll do it very carefully with some pliers, and we can use that as the access to put the plants in, and then just turn it around, and it's still a beautiful terrarium, which I am looking forward to popping some plants in. How incredible is that? And what a steal for £2.99. I absolutely love it. So I'll just give that a little fix up and it will be good to go. And I'll show you how I plant that up over on my home Instagram account, which is Mr. Carrington Home. And feel free to follow me on my main account as well, which is Mr. Carrington, where you can see how I style up some of these clothing items which I can see peeping out of the box at me. I'll also link Freya's Instagram accounts down below so you can pop over and follow her as well. So the first thing we've got here is this lovely shirt. Oh wow, this is YSL and this is 100% cotton and this was £3.99. That is a really lovely shirt. It's got the little embroidered logo on there. And what size is that? So this is an extra large, but I do like to wear shirts like this, oversized, and I'll roll the sleeves up probably to there. You may have seen a similar one that I got, which was Ralph Lauren, that was yellow. You can see that for a day at the beach, maybe with some white shorts, and I could always wear a t-shirt underneath it and leave it open as well. And I think that will look really, really nice. Really nice, fresh cotton shirt. Love that. My shirt's riding up. I'm bursting out of this one, so I do need some new ones. This looks very nice. This one is by Duke Linen. So this is a brand that I've never heard of before. This was £1.99 and I can definitely see myself wearing this. It's got a really lovely, simple stripe going through it and just really nice neutral colours, kind of like creams with black. Very up my street actually. Go really nicely with the shorts that I'm wearing today. It's a size medium, so it is going to be a perfect fit. So yeah, absolutely love that. We have quite a lot in here. Freya, you've done well. You've got some absolute bargains. Okay, this looks fun. This is another shirt by the looks of things, and it has flamingos all over it. So this is by Giacomo, and it says, made to be worn. I will be wearing it. I absolutely love it, and it has got pink flamingos all over it. This one does look very big, but again, I do love wearing shirts like this oversized, and I can see myself wearing that again for holiday, and I will probably wear that open and roll the sleeves up a little bit on that as well. Oh, I love this. This one is by H&M. This is probably one of, or maybe the favorite shop of mine on the high street for clothes and homeware. I absolutely love H&M stuff. And this has got a really nice print on it. This is blue and white again, definitely my colours. And yeah, what is that print? It's got little leaves on it, I think, and rocks, I'm not sure, but very, very nice. This one's long sleeve, and this was £2.99. And, oh, did I say the price of the last ones? This one was £2.49. I've got to say, this shop, all of these have come from Age UK. There is so much stuff. This is very impressive. So these are a pair of chinos, which I love the colour. Let's see what the size is. So these are 32 waist, 31 leg, which is spot on, providing I haven't grown again. But yeah, this is my standard size. So I love the colour. I wonder if I could wear some of these things together. We've got an outfit right there ready to go, haven't we? Very nice. And potentially, or even go for that. which would be very Freya inspired, let's face it. You can't go wrong with a classic pair of chinos in my opinion. Look really nice with a pair of white trainers and maybe just a simple white t-shirt or a striped t-shirt or yeah, short sleeved shirt, and we are good to go. Perfect for the summer months that are coming up. So that's all of the clothes. There's 2 more things in the box. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. The House Plant Care Manual. How about that? So this has got the complete guide to choosing, nurturing and displaying houseplants, and that was £2 from Northwest Air Ambulance charity. This is going to be so helpful. It looks like this has got a really detailed guide of various houseplants, how to shop for them, how to get them home. Yeah, I've struggled with that before, and even growing them from seed and potting them up. That is spot on. And the last thing here we have, I love this. We have this little pumpkin that's made out of clay and it's got this beautiful glaze on it, and this one was £1. That is going to be going on my mantelpiece this autumn amongst the other pumpkins and squashes, and that will make a really nice display for this autumn. I can't wait to style up these bits of homeware around my place. I will be showing you how I do that over on Instagram, and as well I cannot wait to try on all of these clothes. I'm not going to do a try on in this video because I think it's going to be quite long, so what I will do is of course share with you those outfits when I put them together over on Instagram so you can see how they look when I wear them over there. And I'm looking forward to planting up the terrarium as well. So thank you so much, Freya. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below which item of homeware was your favourite, and also which item of clothing you liked the best. And yeah, let me know how you think Freya did. I think she's done incredible. She's got me plant stuff, she's got me some lovely bits of homeware, she's got me an actual plant, which always gets bonus points for me, and I love all of the clothes. I think my favourite item of clothing is probably this shirt here, just because I can see myself wearing that a lot. And I also really love the YSL one as well. I think that's just such a lovely, good quality piece. And then in terms of the homeware, I think this is just incredible and so thoughtful to get me a plant to put in the pot as well. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Pop over to Freya's channel and see how she's got on with the things that I've got for her. Fingers crossed she likes them all. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new here. Do give this video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out your local charity shops as well, because you never know what bargains you might find, and I will see you very soon. Bye.